Question number 11. Which statement about growth is correct? Number 1. Sharp growth rate is seen at the time of spurts in height. Retarded physical development retards social development too. The rate of growth during infancy and pre-adolescence is very high. All of the above. So this question's answer is, the correct answer is, which statement about growth is correct? All of the above. The right answer is number 4. Question 12. The feeling of shame and pride develops in dash stage. The correct answer is number 2. Childhood. The feelings of shame and pride develops in childhood age. The correct answer is childhood. Question number 13. The major difference about the concept of development between G.E. Anderson and E. Harlock is that Anderson considers it as dash and Harlock considers it as dash. So this question's answer is number 2. Growth and behavioral changes. Growth and changes relating to maturity. The correct answer is number 2. Question number 14. Which one of the following is not a difference between growth and development? Number 1. Growth is only physical, whereas the development means overall changes in quality and character. Growth is easier to become measured than development. Development enables growth, but growth does not enable development. Number 4. Development is lifelong, whereas growth stops after attaining maturity. So the question number 14's correct answer is number 3. Development. The correct answer is number 3. Development enables growth, but growth does not enable development. Now next question. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a matter relating development to learning? Number 1. Both learning and development are reversible process. Number 2. Learning initiates development through social interaction. Number 3. Learning and development affect each other. Number 4. Both learning and development are psychological process. So this question's right answer is number 1. Both learning and development are reversible process. Question number 15. Now next question is, the difficult age of development is number 1. Earlier childhood, teenage. Number 3. Young adult age. Number 4. Old adult age. The right answer is number 2. The difficult age of development is teenage. Number 2. Now next question. Question number 17. Adolescent get pleasure. Number 1, in the company of their friends. Number 2, by examining their body structure and physique. Number 3, in the company of the opposite sex. Number 4, all of the above. So this question's right answer is number 4, all of the above. Now see question number 18. The most appropriate meaning of learning is number 1, acquisition of skill. Number 2, inculcation of education. Number 3, modification of behavior. Number 4, personal adjustment. So this question's right answer is modification of behavior. Now next question number 19. Learning is number 1, a change in a behavior. Number 2, the result of experience of practice. Number 3, relatively permanent change in behavior. Number 4, all of the above. So this question's right answer is number 4, all of the above. Now question number 20. Which one of the following is indicative of learning through development? Number 1, recognizing symbols, number and other things. Number 2, forming logical assumptions for a situation. Number 3, both A and 2. Number 4, neither 1 nor 2. So this question's right answer is number 3, both 1 and